In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate textures for a 3D object in Leonardo AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a plain OBJ model into a textured asset using a simple text prompt, all inside the texture generation tool. First, head over to Leonardo AI in your browser and open your workspace. Once you're in, look for the three-dot More menu in the interface. Open that menu and select Texture Generation. This mode is designed specifically for applying AI-generated materials to a model you provide, so you can get realistic, prompt-driven results without leaving the platform. Next, click Upload New Object. You'll need an OBJ file ready to go. For best results, make sure your model is UV unwrapped and cleanly organized. If you have an accompanying material file, that's fine too. It can help the system understand how to place textures. Keep the model's scale and orientation sensible, so details like scratches or fabric weave feel realistic once applied. If your mesh has overlapping UVs or messy topology, you might see stretching or seams, so a quick check before uploading can save you time later. With your object uploaded, it's time to enter your prompt. Think about the surface you want and describe it in clear physical terms. For example, instead of just saying wood, try something like warm walnut wood with subtle grain, semi-matte finish, slight edge wear, and fine pores. You can mention color, finish, age or weathering, roughness, and any pattern scale you care about. If you're aiming for fabric, note the weave type. For metals, specify whether it's brushed, polished, or oxidized. For stone, describe veining, speckles, and gloss. The more concrete your language, the easier it is for the tool to match your vision. When your prompt looks good, click Generate. The system will process your request and apply the texture to your model. Give it a moment, then review the preview. Rotate the model to check edges, corners, and any areas where seams could appear. If something feels off, refine your wording, adjust the finish, color, or amount of wear, and generate again until you're happy. Small prompt tweaks often make a big difference. And that's it. You went to Leonardo AI, opened texture generation from the More menu, uploaded your OBJ, entered a clear descriptive prompt, and clicked Generate. Keep your models UV ready and your prompts specific, and you'll get consistent, high-quality textures fast. Thanks for watching and happy texturing.